All my cakes are my favorites. I can't pick one. They all hold a special place in my heart. I'm Andrew Bowden, probably better known as Andy Bowdy, owner of Saga and More and Andy Bowdy Pastry. I kind of fell into being a pastry chef. It wasn't something I ever planned to do. I kind of gravitated away from doing, I guess, your classical entremet style cake, and I kind of liked what I saw Christina Tossi from Momofuku Milk Bar doing. I kind of went along, I guess, the way she approaches making cakes. I know a lot of people see it as art, and that's really great, and it's flattering. I guess it just kind of comes naturally now. Sure, it looks like art, but I mean, I don't view it as art so much, but I kind of like the personal touch, how everything just comes down to personal taste. When I look at the cakes when they're done, and they have a think about it, like what's in it, the colors, how it looks, different stories behind different ingredients kind of spark recollections of like different people in my life. I wish there could be more of a link between sneakers and pastry. I have plenty of Sagas. As you can see, I have lots of shoes. We kind of have a homage to them in our bathroom at the shop, which is kind of, the joke is my sneaker room, because I kind of wanted to put sneaker related stuff in the cafe, but I guess everybody else thought I probably shouldn't put sneaker stuff in a cafe because it didn't really make any sense. There's no point in doing the same thing as everybody else. Just like collecting sneakers.